In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome on your PC in just a few simple steps. If you're using a different browser right now, don't worry, because this works from Edge, Safari, or any browser you already have installed. This is a quick and easy guide, and by the end, you'll have Google Chrome downloaded and ready to use. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Microsoft Edge, Safari, or whatever browser is already available on your device. Once the browser opens, click into the search bar at the top. Now type in Chrome Download PC and press Enter. This will bring up search results related to downloading Google Chrome for your computer. On the results page, look carefully for the official Google Chrome website. You want to make sure you choose the official page so you get the correct and safest download. Click the official Chrome website link from Google. Once the page loads, you should see the Chrome download page with a clear download button. Now click Download Chrome. Your browser may ask you to confirm the download, so if you see a prompt, just approve it and continue. After that, the Chrome installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download finishes, you can open the file and follow the installation steps to set up Chrome on your PC. It's really that simple. So just to recap, open your browser, search Chrome Download PC, go to the official Chrome website and click Download Chrome. That's all it takes to get Chrome onto your computer quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.